What if the tiniest balcony in your flat could pay you back in grocery savings and add value? Today we're turning a boring 1 meter by 2 meter balcony into a high-value, edible green space that boosts savings and adds appeal. If you love smart upgrades that earn their keep, tap like and hit subscribe now so you don't miss the step-by-step. Here's the play. I'll stack crops vertically, automate watering and grow fast, high-margin plants, so everyone can do this. Think fresh herbs, salad greens, microgreens and a dwarf citrus. Low space, high yield, great smell, instant buyer magnet. Step 1. The plan. Sunny wall, vertical planters, shaded corner, microgreens, shaded corner, mushrooms, railing boxes, trailing cherry tomatoes, railing boxes, alpine strawberries, sketch it. Measure sun hours, south facing, go tomatoes and basil. North facing, spinach, mint, parsley, microgreens. Step 2. The setup. Budget, £150 to £350. 2 vertical pocket planters, 2 railing boxes, breathable grow bags for a dwarf lemon or lime, peat-free compost, slow-release organic fertilizer, simple drip kit with timer. If shade dominates, add 2 safety-rated LED grow bars. Step 3. Plant for maximum flavor and savings. Fast win, rocket, baby spinach, cut and come again lettuce, harvest every 10 to 14 days. Basil, mint, coriander, chives, showpiece, dwarf lemon in a 30-40 litre bag, alpine strawberries, trailing cherry tomatoes. Bonus, a microgreen tray, 7 days to harvest. 2 of seed can yield 15 plus of garnish value. Step 4. Automation and care. Set the timer to 5 to 10 minutes daily, adjust seasonally. Mulch with cocoa chips to reduce watering. Feed lightly every 2 weeks. Prune basil hard from the top, not the sides, to keep it bushy. Numbers time. Herbs, 10-15 bundles, 15 to 25 pounds in savings. Salad greens, 6 to 8 bags, 12 to 20 pounds. Microgreens, 4 trays, 20 to 30 pounds. Seasonal tomatoes and strawberries, 10 to 15 pounds. Total savings each month really add up, depending on the seasons, that you can really notice, encouraging you to eat healthier at the same time. Resale upsides. Listings with edible balconies photograph better, smell fresher, and suggest low-maintenance living. Eco buyers love to see the self-watering edible balcony bullet point. Expect more clicks, longer view times, and stronger first impressions. Tiny balcony? No problem. Go vertical, automate water, pick fast growers, and add 1 hero plant to the mix. Research the best growers for your individual space. Smash like, subscribe, and comment your balcony's size and sun hours. I'll reply with a custom planting plan. Let's bring your balcony to life and make it pull its weight.